In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your LG InstaView fridge to Wi-Fi using the ThinQ app so you can take full advantage of its smart features. With Wi-Fi, you can monitor temperatures, get alerts, and control settings right from your phone. First, make sure your fridge is plugged in and turned on. Locate the Wi-Fi button inside or on the control panel. Then press and hold it for about 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon starts flashing. This means it's in pairing mode. Next, download and open the LG ThinQ app on your smartphone. Sign in or create an account. Then tap the plus icon to add a device. Select Refrigerator from the list and choose your InstaView model. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the fridge to your 2.4 GHz home Wi-Fi network. It won't work with 5 GHz. Once connected, the Wi-Fi icon will stay solid, confirming the link. Now, you can use the ThinQ app to adjust settings, check energy usage, and receive notifications anytime. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy smart home setup guides.